Hey guys, I'm just gonna show you what I bought from Pinkbox yesterday. So at Pinkbox, there's so many accessories and hair things, accessories like earrings, bracelets, accessories. And then in Pinkbox, there's a chick collection, and I bought two. So I'm gonna show you. This is Pinkbox bag. I like it's crunchy and white and pink. I like the combination, but it's the more it's more colorful, it's green and pink. Yeah, it's from Pink Box. Just gonna open it. There's another bag. I'm gonna show you this later. And first in the big bag, this is bangles, gold bangles. These are all eight. The eight bangles. This is for 200 to 300 pesos, but they have this great discount, a 50% discount. So I was really happy with it. I sometimes wear this at school. It's very pretty and blingy. Mm, And then another from the chick collection from this very small bag, which I also like. I like the flowers. Is this black and gold necklace. This is 300 to 400 pesos in the Philippines, and then another 50% discount. It's very pretty. Yeah. So yeah, and I only bought two because this is my first time buying at Pink Box with the chick collection, and then I found something at Pink Box, the locket one, the necklace, pearl here, and there's a locket where you can put your picture on it or someone's picture, and then you can just open. Oh yeah, this is like the family. It's me like that. If I bought that, I would put chewing gum on it. So when you open, there's chewing gum. I can chew. So I hope I can buy that. That I remember that's 200, 300 and pesos, and there's a 50% discount. Great price. So yeah, I hope you have Pink Box there, whatever country you are. I just recommend you to buy Chick Collection, and I hope Chick Store, Chick Collections. I hope you watch this because I really love your accessories. So yeah, but I don't really buy your earrings because I'm allergic to earrings. It gets a wound on it. I don't know. The lock of the earring gets inside my ear. It's very bad. So yeah, I hope you guys like it, and thank you very much, Chick. So yeah, bye bye.